Let's be real, we've all had those mornings where we've woken up puffy, whether puffiness of the eyes or your overall face. Had too much sushi, a little bit of Chinese, or that glass of wine, and woke up to swelling. No, I do not want you to dunk your face in ice. That's not going to work. But what is going to work is the cryotherapy with lymphatic drainage or stimulation. For that, I want you to start using face oil. Today, I'm using House of Beauty's Pigmentation oil, which comes in two sizes. This one, which is a great tester in case you want to try before you buy or travel with it. And the full size one, because if you know me, you know how much face yoga I do. This pigmentation oil is rich with acai berry, red raspberry, and passion fruit. Oh, how much I love using these for sure. Hi guys, I'm Vibhuti Arora, your face yoga master. I train and certify face yoga teachers globally. I'm also the founder of skincare brand House of Beauty India. Let's start with my lymphatic drainage technique. Lymphatic drainage in the right order is absolutely essential. I want you to rub your finger pads with the oils and stimulate the sides of your neck all the way across till your earlobes like this. Give your neck some side mild vibrations. In case you cannot give your vibrations through your hand, you could use the 24K face massager and just move downward like this. So if I have to do it with the tool or the hand, with the tool is downward, with the hand is vibration. With the tool is downward, with the hand is vibration. Once you've done that, you can scissor across your ears like this. Press this point, move your jaw from left to right. And then initiate a breath. You will tap across your collarbone from the clavicle, knuckle it in case I have to show this downward and like this. Perfect. Now that we've got the lymphatic network activated with the neck, we will go in with a strengthening exercise to open up the eyes first thing in the morning. You will make a C of your fingers. Raise your eyebrows, push the eyebrow down and open your eyes wide. This works stronger than coffee to actually wake up your morning puffiness and relax. Once you've done this a few times, you will then take the same 24K massager, place it on your maximum acupressure point or your acupressure trigger point. Storage point, temple, upper eyelid, acupressure point back again, then initiate a swipe and bring 6 to 8 times. If I had to do this with my thumb, I would swipe and bring 6 to 8 times. Now comes the best part, the cryotherapy. Cryotherapy can often be done at home with ice globes. Ice globes are brilliant ice wands or massagers which you could put in your freezer and go under the eye, swiping in and out, in and out, in and out. The cool sensation is now going to act like a pump for your lymphatic network and initiate drainage. This will also ensure that your blood circulation is enhanced. I will go in a circular manner around, swipe and draining. I can also depuff my face with the cheek lifting motion, fanning from the central meridian all the way up. It's very, very calming, very, very relaxing. Unlike ice facials, this is actually not going to constrict your blood vessels or leave you with open pores. Yes, every time you dip your face in ice, your pores actually enlarge and then they don't shrink back in time, giving you holes onto your skin, something you definitely don't want. A pro tip here, using a toner to actually shrink your pores definitely helps and restores the pH balance of your skin as well. I also like to depuff my nose because when you are facing swelling, your nose tends to get swollen, and that depuffing also definitely helps. If you don't have these globes, then you can depuff with your fingers, but the globes and the ice in them or the cold temperature in them helps so much. As you can see, I just can't get enough of these myself. What I am doing is actually now a face lifting motion to help lift my cheeks and also reduce my smile lines throughout the day. So, what is lymph? What is this morning puffiness? Well, unlike your heart, which actually has a pump to circulate the blood circulation throughout your body, your lymphatic network does not have a pump. And if you don't exercise, you've had too much of salt, the lymphatic fluid, which is basically trash or excess fluid that your cells do not need and actually excrete out, like we excrete urine, gets collected in the lymphatic network of your body, leading to under eye swelling, facial puffiness, even swelling of your hands and feet. Draining this toxic fluid out of our body ensures that we live better, we have a healthier lifestyle, and our overall circulation is enhanced. Otherwise, you tend to get patchy skin, poor immunity, your immunity system doesn't work well, your muscles feel lethargic, you do not feel as active no matter how many cups of tea or coffee you have. That is the role a lymphatic system plays. While I used ice globes for my face, if you initiate dry brushing of your body, even if you don't have the time to exercise, this 30-second to 60-second ritual before your shower can make a sea of change in your muscle health and your overall lymphatic drainage. This is the exercise I like to do after my cryotherapy and lymphatic drainage because you do tend to feel a nasal drip sensation where water may come out of your nose or your eyes. You must have a couple of glasses of water or green tea to actually go and urinate this lymphatic fluid out of your body as well. This ritual will depuff your entire body in about 30 to 60 minutes after you've done this 5-minute detox. I hope you enjoyed these tips by me, Vibhuti Arora. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and spread the love as always. Do let me know in comments what are your issues so that will help me build my next videos better. Also, check out all of the face tools and skincare range that we've built at House of Beauty India on our website. Happy Panther!